Meaning of energize.
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 Energize. Energize means to give someone or something more energy, enthusiasm, or vitality. When someone or something is energized, they become more active and engaged, and are able to perform better than before. This can be achieved through various means, such as physical exercise, mental stimulation, positive reinforcement, or simply by providing adequate nutrition and rest. The result of energizing someone or something is that they are able to tackle challenges with greater vigor and achieve higher levels of performance and satisfaction. Energizing can also have a positive impact on one's mental and emotional well-being.